is Cream Bar back again with another reaction video. Today check out Stefflon Don Murda Freestyle Badness. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. If you don't know, Stefflon Don is my favorite female artist. Don't know the thing set. But I love Stefflon Don, bruh. Yo, I like all the colors. Like the girls, all of them wearing different color hairstyle. Kind of like some pop-up girl style shit going on right here. Oh, hey. Yo, Stefflon, calm down, girl. Shit, yo. Damn. Dude, I'm on the OG singing about, honestly. Yo, that shit was sick, bruh. Yo, dude, this is sick. That's a pink put like Patrick, pink like Patrick. Hey. Well, I don't know what any breakfast thing. Wait, have there ever been a collab with Nicki Minaj and Stefflon Don? Dude, I can't recall because Stefflon Don, you know what? I'm not gonna tell you, man. Dude, it's been so long since I reacted to a Stefflon Don. Wasn't disappointed. Pretty awesome freestyle, sick. I'm gonna actually rewatch it as soon as I'm done with the video. I'm gonna rewatch it.